night. It is the official premiere day for this game. Is called Murder, and it'll be in theaters this Friday, December 3rd, and also on demand, Apple TV, Amazon Prime, Vudu, all that. This is the morning. I'm waiting on my hair and makeup team, which consists of this one amazing lady, Portia Creation. So if you're in LA, I would look her up because she's amazing. She'll be here at 11:30. It is currently 9:15, so I'm gonna make breakfast, chill, and get ready. I love chugging a glass of lemon juice in the mornings, and I still drink aloe vera, but lemon juice is lemon water, whatever, is so good. And it's hydrating, I feel it rehydrating my skin. And what is on my head right now is a Yugo Natural Sleep Turban, so I will link them in the description box down below. It's great, and it keeps my hair hydrated overnight and in place, keep my style. Is that Portia?
That's my husband back there. Hi. If you are in LA and you ever need hair or makeup services, she is the one to go to. I'm gonna put her Instagram right here. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Hello. How are you? We are on our way to the premiere.
The bar is open, so feel free to get you.
Okay, so this is officially the end of the video. Premiere is over and acting class tomorrow, so I will be doing that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys Thursday after next for the continuation of my acting terms lingo video part 2. I'll see you then. All right, good night. Bye.